Hello everyone, Justin here, and this morning I'm going to show you how to draw WOOLOO, another Pokemon. So let's start by drawing his head, and start by just drawing a curve that goes out to the front of his nose and then back. We'll only be able to see his left eye in this view, so let's draw an oval and then another oval inside to show the iris, and his pupil will actually be white, so just a horizontal oval. Okay, so let's draw a little bit of his wool that goes right over his face, and just draw a curved line and then another curved line that extends behind the eye, because right here will be a kind of a braided section of wool. So from here, let's draw a curve that goes in and then goes out again and to the end, and we'll give it 3 points and then curve it back in so it's narrower closer, and then round it off again, kind of like a braid. Okay, so let's just extend this line a little bit higher, and then behind here then will be the ear. So coming off this line, just draw a shallow curve out to the end of the ear and then curve it in towards the braid, and draw another line right next to the previous line, because this area will actually be pink. Let's draw the nose next, which is also pink, and just kind of like an L shape. Okay, so now let's draw the body. The body's going to be like this size, so kind of imagine the circle, but we'll start right here by drawing undulating curves, kind of like clouds. What we're drawing here is wool, and you can vary the size of these curved lines. So let's go back here again and to the face and draw some curved lines here as well, and kind of step back a little bit to see where we need to go with these lines so that we form kind of a circle. So look at your target here and just go toward it, trying to make it as circular as you can. Okay, next we'll go ahead and draw the other braid on the other side. So let's just do it from the face here. Curve it down for the middle part, and then down, and draw the 3 finger-like projections. Okay, right here then will be the front foot, the right front foot. Just go down and then start curving the bottom of the foot, go up and go back up to the wool. Okay, let's put in a detail for the hoof, and then right here then will be the left front foot. Same thing, down, curve the end or bottom of the foot and back up. Again, detail for the hoof, and let's draw the back legs. The one side will be right there, and then we'll draw the other side right here. Just a curved line for the bottom, and the back of the foot then goes up. Back here then, peeking out, will be the tail, and let's just draw that. And up here then, we're gonna see a horn, so we'll draw a couple lines, looks like a wave, and then draw a horn. We'll kind of see the other horn over here beyond the wool, so let's just go ahead and indicate that. Finally, let's draw a shadow line for the body here, where this basically indicates the darker tones of the wool area, and do the same thing here with the braided section. And that's it. So what I'm going to do now is I'll kind of stylize it a bit using my thicker Sharpie. So that's it for Wooloo, another Pokemon. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you next time. Have a great day.